So in front of us, we have a Bush 630 oil flood pump that we are getting ready to ship out the door. So kind of take us through what happened to this pump while I was here.
This was a complete rebuild. This was actually a catastrophic failure. In addition to all those wear parts that we replace in a standard rebuild kit, which would be the bearings, the gaskets, the O-rings, the seals, rework those tolerances, this one actually needed a few core parts in addition to that. I do believe we replaced the cylinder as well as the A-side end plate in addition to all those parts.
I'm assuming it didn't show up looking this nice.
No, not anywhere close. After the test procedure, no leaks, performs to factory specification. We will mask everything off, data plates, anything of color, anything external as far as cosmetic or filtration, and then we will paint the unit entirely to make it look as close to new as we possibly can from a cosmetic standpoint. It's as close to new as you can get without it being new.